What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 randomly shuts off. So let's start the video. First of all, check your volume and power keys. It can suddenly pressed while using the hard case of your phone. After checking your volume and power keys, then open settings and scroll down and click on device care. Now scroll down and here you can see the option auto optimization. Now click on it and then click on auto restart. Now here you can turn off your auto restart. After turn off your auto restart, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset network settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.